Okay, so Georgia handles underage DUI charges very differently from adults. It does that in one of two ways, or I guess through one of two agencies. If you're under 21, that's what an underage DUI is. Okay, it doesn't matter how much under 21 you are. If you're not quite 21 years old, the law says you have a lower blood alcohol content limit that makes you either not DUI or DUI. If you're under 21, the limit is 0.02, whereas if you're over 21, the limit is 0.08. So the first difference is it's much easier to be guilty of DUI because the legal limit is much lower. The other issue, if you're under 21, is what happens to you if you're convicted. If you're convicted of an under 21 DUI, what will happen is you will lose your driver's license either for 6 months or a year, depending on the circumstances of your case. A lawyer can walk you through those. But if you're going to lose your license for at least 6 months and possibly a full 12 months. Can you get a limited permit during that time period that your license is suspended? If you're under 21, the answer is resoundingly no. That is a massive difference. Whereas if you're over 21, you will be able to likely get a limited permit. Massive differences in those two ways. Another way, I guess what's most significantly a factor if you're under 21 is a DUI conviction stays on your record for life. It does that for everyone because you can't get first offender or record restriction with a DUI. But if you're under 21, you got a long way to go having that on your criminal history sheet and having everybody in the world be able to find that out that you have a conviction. Could affect you for school, jobs, for the rest of your life. There is no way to expunge a DUI conviction once you have it. So under 21, much more, I guess, lengthy period of suffering from the consequences of a conviction.